So I'm in my car and I'm having an issue with the sound quality when I'm playing things from Spotify. So it could be music, it could be a podcast, and the sound just seems very distorted. I'm in my Tesla Model Y Performance. This is the 2023 model. So here's what it sounds like. So I'm going to put the volume up. So that's how it sounds. So the sound quality is just really slow and distorted. So to fix this, what you want to do, in fact, actually, just so you know, this is just a Spotify issue, because if I put tuning on and listen to the radio.
A recent cyber attack.
That works without any issue. So radio works fine. It's just a Spotify issue. So what we're going to do is we're going to hold both of these dials here. You can use two hands, but I've got my one hand occupied at the moment. So we're going to press both of these dials here. So these scroll wheels. I'm going to press this one and this one together. I'm going to hold it down. What this does is it reboots the car and resets the electronics. So I'm still holding it down. Okay, it's loading back up. Still holding it down. It roughly takes about maybe 30 seconds. 30 seconds to a minute. Okay, it's loading back up, it seems. There we go. So I'm going to let go. And then we're opening up Spotify again. Let's just allow it to load up. Alright, so it's still loading at the moment and it says no connectivity. So we're just going to give it a little bit more time. Okay, that did take about 5 minutes because first it said no connectivity. I just refreshed it a few times. Now Spotify's loaded up. I'm going to try that same song. And it's working fine. So yeah, that's all you need to do if you're having this issue with Spotify, if you're getting that slow, distorted sound. Just reboot the electronics using that method I showed you and it should work fine after that.